Yo, how's it going, everyone? We're back today with another video for the WRX, and we have some car parts here. We got a big box, big box and a small box. What's in here? What could it be? Let's see. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? You know what? I think we're gonna go with the big box first. Yep, we're going with the big box. Let's see. Put this down real quick. Let's get by the big box, but got myself a front lip. This one should fit pretty good. If you remember, I'm pretty sure this is the same lip I had on the TL. It was for a WRX, but it ended up fitting the Type S A-Spec kit. So, and it looked good. But I mean, this one should fit even more flush because I mean it's an actual WRX, you know. Here it is. So, I got another roof spoiler. Had to go with the carbon fiber. If you're thinking, oh, why didn't I just put the one I already had on the TL? Well, it didn't fit. It almost fit, but you know, I had to bend it, which it couldn't really bend this spoiler. So I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna do this, you know, I might as well buy another one for the actual car. This one should fit. Should fit. Shouldn't give me any problems. Should fit really flush. Instructions, whatever. And look at this carbon fiber though. Alright, so it's been about a week since I opened the box. Haven't had really time to install the roof visor, rear visor, whatever you want to call it. I mean, it's kind of last minute right now, but we have some time right now to install it. So we're like, fuck it. I mean, it doesn't take that long. Maybe like 5 minutes to install. Pretty much what you want to do is you pretty much just want to clean out where the spoiler is going to go. I mean, you can use rubbing alcohol, which is pretty good. I believe it comes with... Don't worry about it. Comes with like this little glue. Pretty much all you have to do is just like spread it like an outline where the 3M tape is gonna go, and then that's pretty much it. Carbon fiber, bro. You know, down. Alright. Probably should open the other way. Nice and sticky, nice and sealed. So yeah, that's the visor. Pretty much after you clean it, you know, you put the little glue thing. You just gonna. It's easier, you know, with two people, obviously. I mean, you're gonna take off the. You're gonna peel off the tape right here. And you're just gonna stick it on there. Then you're gonna wanna push it down really good so you know it sticks. And that's pretty much the install. I think it comes with these two little or it comes one on this part. No, it's two of them. It comes with two little supports, so that way it doesn't like bend down from the bottom, so it stays supported. These are easy to install too. You just kind of get it in the middle and just put it on there. That's pretty much it. So we're gonna set the camera down real quick. Gonna go ahead and apply this adhesive, and we'll probably pick it up again once it's stuck on there, and then we'll figure out what these middle ones go. So let's do it. We're back. We installed the roof visor last time, and now we're gonna install this lip. Shouldn't be too hard. It's probably just a couple clips and bolts. Oh fuck. My boy Martin finna help me today. been a good friend. Let me show you how this visor looks. I don't think I've shown it. So this is the visor. It's not too bad, you know. It's not too big, so but it does stand out a little bit. I think it looks really good. You know, I had to go with that carbon fiber look. But yeah, we'll get to this lip. To be honest, this lip is one of the cheap ones. I'm being completely honest with you. It's like 80 bucks. This is the, I believe it's the V style. But yeah, we'll go ahead and install this. Shouldn't be too hard, like I said. Probably just a couple clips underneath. At first I thought you had to remove the bumper, but I don't think it'll be necessary really. So it does come with a couple clips here and there that's included with the lip, but we'll see if we need those right now. So yeah, we'll go ahead and install this. Shouldn't be too hard, like I said. Probably just a couple clips underneath. At first I thought you had to remove the bumper, but I don't think it'll be necessary really. So it does come with a couple clips here and there that's included with the lip, but we'll see if we need those right now. So right now we're gonna kind of line it up and see what goes where. Alright, so little update for y'all. Actually, when we came down here to kind of line it up, we find out that there's some already holes here. I guess the previous owner had a lip already installed on it. Like I said, this is a used car, but I mean, it's alright. They're just small little holes, and I'm pretty sure they will line up with the lip, so it should make things much easier for us. You know, don't really have to drill into the bumper since the holes are already there. Just kind of make things easier for us. I guess right now we're gonna line it up and I guess bolt it up. Really, that's all we're gonna have to do. I mean, the lip already has holes in it, so like I said, just kind of line it up and put it where it needs to go. Sure you can see this. So like I said, it's just little screws that are going on there. Like I said, the previous owner, I'm pretty sure had the same lip, because they are just lining up where they need to go. So that's good for us, because I mean, that saves us the problem from drilling into the bumper itself. Yeah, so right now we're just kind of putting in the screws and tightening up everything, and that's pretty much how you install this lip. Really, nothing too crazy. So yep, I'll probably update y'all once we're finished here. So alright, so camera battery's about to die, but I mean, we still have to tighten up the sides, but here's how it looks so far. I mean, fitment's pretty good. We're probably gonna go back, tighten them up a little bit more, but yeah, I mean, this is how the lip looks. I think it looks pretty good, you know what I'm saying? I like the little angle on the side. Right now it is a little loose, you know, because I mean, we haven't tightened that one, but we're about to do that right now, and we'll probably, yeah, probably gonna do really. But yeah, guys, I'll update y'all right now when we're done. Alright, so update, we just finished installing this whole lip. We bolted it up and everything. Shout out to my boy Martin for coming out, helping me. So yeah, let me show you how this looks real quick. And there it is, there it is. Fitment's alright with it, to be honest. There is a small gap, but I mean, it's fine. I don't mind it. You can't really tell unless you look at it for a long time, kind of short. But I mean, yeah, it was relatively easy. Like I said, I mean, the holes were already there, I'm guessing from the previous owner, so it wasn't too hard to install. Like I said, just came with a couple bolts, or yeah, a couple screws, bolted up everything nice and tight. There was a clip, there was a metal one that you do have to take off from the bottom, but I mean it's not too hard. You can kind of see the little gap right here, right here. Fuck it though, it is what it is. You know, if that bothers me later on, I can probably just make another hole, tighten it up. But I mean, other than that, everything else is pretty nice. On this side, I don't think there's one. Yeah, on this side there's not. It was only on that side, which is fine. I mean, I don't mind it, like I said. But yeah, guys, this is the lip. Like I said, it's the V style one. So yeah.
Fast life gripping, yeah, we still tipping. Codeine cups paint a picture so vivid. Codeine cups, codeine cups, codeine cups. Paint a picture so